Doug Thompson, we're here in the shop, and I'm working on an Art Deco bedside table for my daughter. I thought I'd show how I go about making this move on the leg. I have witness marks every 1.5 inches. I've got a specific dimension here. Then I start 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the induction forge and do a 1/4 twist clockwise, 1/4 twist counterclockwise, and then a 1/4 twist clockwise again to do a twist, counter twist, twist. Now, while I still have some heat in the bar, I'm going to straighten it out. I brush it off, and I'm a little bit off. So while I've still got heat in that, I'll go over to the hydraulic bender and just straighten it out. So that's a nice start. Put it into this. Go ahead and do that. I just want a 1/4 twist. That's good. I've obviously bent it downward, but I can fix that. I want to be coming up. Again, edge of the wrench with my witness mark. I'm going to check to make sure that I'm coplanar. The foot detail is merely some 1/4x2 that I've cut at 3/4 and at 1.25 inches, and I'm going to weld that all up. Each one has a little radius on it. I'm just going to compare it with this real quick. And I've got to go a little bit more. I'm not, probably can see it better that way, but I've got to go a little bit more. And I could go a little. Okay, so this part fits perfectly. We're going to use this form die for both this bend and that bend. But on this bend, we'll go ahead and we'll put a piece of material and shim it out, so we'll have a shim for the die. These are small parts, so we'll go ahead and do top bending. One of the great tricks using the Hossfeld bender is if you have a form die that's not exactly what you want, you need a little bit larger radius bend, you can always put a shim in place, and as you bend the part, the shim folds and hugs the form die, and you'll get a different radius.